you've learned the 6 parts of a plant, it is your job to make a recipe with your family that uses all 6 parts. I'm going to show you an example of a recipe that we love to make here at Soilborn Farms. This is a plant parts taco. I have my 6 plant parts here on the cutting board. I'm going to start here with this plant part. Do you recognize this? This is a squash blossom flower. This is going to be like our shell or our tortilla. Next, I'm going to add the leaves. I have here some lettuce leaves that I'm going to use to line the bottom of my taco. Alright, then what I'm going to do is add the seeds. Can you guess which of these plant parts is the seeds? They're right over here, these beans. Beans are seeds. Pretty cool. Add those in. Alright, next I'm going to add some roots. Remember, roots grow underground, and so the root I'm going to use is an onion. Onions grow underground. Normally we can't see any of them, just the green leaves on top, but they are going to be a great addition to our taco. Next, I'm going to add the stem. Here I have some cilantro stems. You can also use the leaves. Cilantro leaves are super tasty. But for this, I'm going to just put mostly stem, because we already have our lettuce leaf. And then finally, the 6th plant part. Can you think about what that last part is? It's the fruit. Here I have 3 different types of fruit, some tomatoes, some peppers, and then some jalapeno. If you add jalapeno, be careful, it can be a little spicy. All right, and then we're gonna fold up this taco and take a bite. Here we go. This is a big taco, alrighty.